No, I'm for the applicant. And I'm Mrs. Bishop.
Yes, Emma, do you want to pass in?
Yes.
Yeah, so, excuse me, Your Honour. Okay.
So for the applicant we have Ms. Bishop. Yes. And then we have the local authority social worker, first of all Ms. Viteri. And then we have Ms. Lynn. And then we have Mr. Guru. Yeah. Representing the local authority, we have Ms. Wood. Yes. We have Father, Mr. Brown. Yes. And Mother, Miss Thatcher, is not an attendant. She's unwell today.
Yeah.
I understand. Is that right?
Yeah. So I just want to point out what's good. I've got people.
Don't interrupt for a moment, Mr.
Right.
Just while I hear. I think they're all the attendants today.
Yeah, I've got
The
Mackenzie.
application is for Miss Brown.
Yes.
Who is seeking leave for a Mackenzie friend.
Yeah, I've got Mackenzie friends, yes.
Mr. Brown.
Yeah, I've got my Mackenzie friends, what's it called, you want to, represent me?
Yes.
Yeah, so I can call them in, please?
No, well, who are they?
I've got my Mackenzie friends.
What's their name?
Dr. Hamid and Belinda Mackenzie, and I've got other people, advocates as well, who's legally trained, so I need advocates to come in as well. Because I've got a disability, I need my advocates to come in. Otherwise, also, I'm not saying anything.
Just tell me about Dr. Hamid.
No, I'll let him speak for himself.
No, well, I need to know who he is before I...
Dr. Hamid. Well, he can speak for himself.
No, well, tell me how you know him.
Well, he's been helping me with my case. He's legally trained as well. But I need to call my people in.
Well, it's a matter for the court as to who can help.
Well, sorry, are you on your oath at all?
So, can you tell me about Belinda Mackenzie?
Well, she's a Mackenzie friend. Well, okay, I need to call them in. Belinda Mackenzie.
Belinda Mackenzie?
No, Mackenzie. Mackenzie. She's a Mackenzie friend. Let me just call them in.
No, you can't call them in until the court allows you to do so, Mr. Brown. So just hold on a moment, you want...
No, excuse me, I'm not saying anything, right, basically, right, I know what's going on, right, and I know what's called that the Queen is a fake, yeah, right, and obviously the Queen doesn't exist, she's not a legal monarch, right, and I know what's it called, right, that we are entitled to a fair hearing. I need to call my people in, otherwise I believe that you're hiding something,
yes,
that you're committing perjury.
Moment,
well, I need to call my people in.
Well, I will allow you...
Are you in your hospital?
In a moment.
Yeah,
take a seat for me.
Yeah.
Yes, so I will...
So are you on your oath?
Dr. Hamid
yes.
has been in court before.
Yes. I'd like to call them in, please.
Just a moment. Thank you. Yes. Then as far as other parties are concerned...
Yes, because look how many people here, the local folk can bring their people in,
I'm not
so I need...
you can't bring everybody in,
okay.
I just want to know what everybody thinks about your application.
Yeah, I'm making the application clearly, and I'd like the people to come in.
Yes, well,
there's not going to be no trouble whatsoever.
Just a moment, just while let everybody else speak, you've had your chance to speak,
yeah.
Everybody else has had.
Because then I would say that it's unfair.
Ms. Bishop, any objections to...
They are Mackenzie friends and advocates. Because I've got a disability. I've got a disability.
The parents need two Mackenzie friends.
No, I want all of them to come in. Yeah? Under the Human Rights Act.
Can I just ask that
sorry, let me just show you something. I'll just show you something. Hold on. Right. The Queen is actually a fake. She is not a legal monarch. I've got it in writing here. That was with the legal system, so therefore if the Queen is fake, all our laws are fake. Yeah? That's what I know.
Yeah.
Yeah? So are you on your oath at all? I asked you, are you on your oath? Do you govern by consent?
I'm a district judge.
Are you a district judge? Have you got any identification? Do you have any identification at all? Because as far as I'm concerned, what's it called? This is all,
please, I do want to deal.
Well, I want to call my people in. So I think I need to call my people in.
Yeah.
Well, these people need to be excluded then. Simple as. Yeah, I want these people to go. Can these people please leave the court, please?
No.
Yeah? Well, I'll get my people as well then. It's totally unfair. Who are you? Who are you though? What are you? Can I have my people in, please? Well, why not? Why?
Because I'm going to tell you who you can have in when I've made a decision.
No, but you're not my mother. You can't tell me who I can't have in.
Sit down.
You're not the law.
Mr. Brown, could you please?
Yeah, if you touch me, it's a common assault.
I'm not touching you.
Okay. Can I have my people come in? Okay. If you make it fair.
No, yes, I echo the concern of
Okay.
That's the only representation I have. And of course, Mr. Brown is entitled.
Yeah. Under the Human Rights Act. Come on. Bring up the Human Rights Act. Okay. Yeah.
the way it works there.
Right.
I can't make any sure people.
I like him to say one thing.
Yeah. Don't worry, my phone on. I've turned my phone off. Yeah, my phone is switched off.
That Mr. Brown has taken photographs and
Have you got any evidence of that? Do you have any evidence of that? Where's, hold on, excuse me. Can I see the evidence, please? That's hearsay.
information, and I just saw him take out his camera.
Well, my phone is switched off.
And I'd like, if possible, madam, to explain. I don't know if it's necessary, and I think it's a matter for you.
You see what's happening here? Hold on, let me interject. No, let me interject.
Should not be taken in court and to be court.
No, the quick, there's no such thing. Yeah, and without the limit, to have the Mackenzie thing.
Show your phone to security officers, and I want to ensure
I don't need to do no such thing. I don't need to do no such thing. I don't need to do no such thing. You don't want you to come in. The Queen is a safe. I don't care what you look say. Yeah? I want my people to know that. What's it called? I'm letting all my people come in. You all want to come in? Yes. Come, you can all come in. Come. Yeah. Come, Benny. Everyone can come and come. Come. Yeah.
That's why I've locked the door.
They're really smart. Okay.
Don't be hostile towards her. Use that against him. That's good.
They like to bring in their people, they don't like to bring in everyone.
It makes it difficult to adjust because it's got witnesses now. You can't be a complete stitch up. I want you to stop. I want to say things that I agree with and I'll say things that I agree with. Don't bother.
I'm not
Don't bother.
speak everything in your head and nothing like that.
Yes.
Everything in your head.
Let them come to you.
And Dr. Hammond, please.
Come on.
Better make sure I turn that off. That'd be a terrible thing to happen with that. If I get in, and it makes a noise.
Well, since you know I'm not here, probably should have your secret.
We're not going to get in. She did mention, she did
he just needs to get some, he needs to get proper legal representation. That's what he needs. It's just not right, it's not right. You know? It is the people that we should be talking about.
I mean, Jenna's start at this job, you know, this is the top floor. I know, yes, I'm not going to do it. Good. But I am looking to understand what I did. He was somebody on the floor. So they're really interesting. You guys should see the place. So he was on the place and they were growing He's very, very and I think he is for a long time. But he's not people. They said he was being and he doesn't know why he didn't.
Yeah.
I've got nothing on. I'm not broken bones.
I knew you'd be there nice and early.
Yeah, I did that,
Huh?
Now, what I want to know,
What did I talk about? Have I got his phone? Have I got his phone? Why is it that he can't get a legal representation to represent him to be safe?
Maybe just like that.
So why is it that no one wants to take on the case? Why can't he find any help and support? Cornel.
I've not been following it. All I know is it's not getting due process. The courts are not working.
No.
This is illegal. Secret court act is illegal. It's not even, it's unlawful, but it's also illegal. Courts like that are not allowed in Britain.
Oh, see.
But they are forced in because these parts with the independent MPs sold their souls. Done that a long time ago.
Oh, okay.
And it's too lucrative. And not only that, you don't pay the line and you're dead. Literally.
Yeah.
Or something happens to your family. Don't you think it's easy for them? But it isn't. It's tough.
Yeah.
They're there. All it is a popularity contest. When you go and vote, popularity. It's not democracy. Because nobody is left. What are they there for? That's why the Queen is there. Whether you like it or not, whether you like the person or not, the position, the office, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And she has that responsibility, and it's a serious one. And I think there's a good chance that things will change as a result. There's not many places in the world where you can actually ultimately get justice, however bad it gets, and it could get worse.
Yeah.
You know, as bad enough as it is. You don't get one policeman come out of accident and you get the rest. And if it's the third or fourth time, they'll be the fifth time. They come in packs. Like they're packed. They come in packs. Talk about we. You should have local juries, outlaw the people are out. The original idea was the guy doesn't pay the recompense to the victim, not the guy. That's the old idea of paying fines to the jackal. It's a business. That makes it a business. If you tell your victim you had to do some form or pay, or you're an outlaw. In other words, there's no protection. You know? Have you read that?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, in the so-called old days, it wasn't stupid. They weren't backwards. There was a good reason for it. And it worked. You didn't have to prison for it. Because everybody looked after the situation. There's still the odd road, but I'm going to cold cry. But it will.
Yeah.
So it's almost like the whole. It's like
Yeah.
Anyway, passport, you know, you're a criminal.
Yeah. The name rings a bell. Yes.
I read it out. There's been a lot of but I do know that other stuff does happen. I really know behind the scenes stuff is happening, I believe. What we read in the newspaper, a lot of it's just...
It's not true.
Either not true or just...
Yeah. That's right.
And people, I met somebody from Tennessee who was lumber check. He's got these great big trucks. He had a big truck. And he said that people used to do anything like that around there. And they stop somebody because of some silly thing. They don't like it. There's places in the nearest where it's like that. There's places here where it's like that. I live in it. So, and I'm not saying they're always good things. Bad people, there are politicians. I'm not suggesting you do that, but these things happen and you don't see it in the press. You
That's because it gives you what they do.
All right, we're not going That's the fear, isn't it?
They went out to make the peace and she was fortunate enough to take them over to the peace. Secondly, a concept that was completely, truly
Probably getting abused by now. I mean, these kids, they're not being looked after properly. They're not being looked after. I've seen Jasmine, yeah, because even the baby, when they used to go to the close visit, every time they went to visit the baby always had a bruise on them. And this is for a carer, foster carer. So when Cornel used to say, look, my baby, that's what he was trying to explain to you. When he reported it and said, oh, my baby's got a bruise on her head, they tried to switch it and say he done it. It's sad, it's really sad.
I mean, it's difficult enough to bring a family up to visit without it's normal. And not everybody says, well, fair enough, it doesn't mean we're weak. You know, I mean, I reckon it has to get pretty bad in a family before you start taking away people's care.
Exactly.
That's my view. And it usually doesn't get because managers get to know and it doesn't usually get that. I don't.
I had a friend who had schizophrenia, and social services still made her keep her kids. And then I think she got so bad that eventually they took the kids off her back.
I'm sure that that's the and also to find details to it and to talk about it. I've been keeping myself up in the garden of children. Since I'm going to 10 weeks and I don't think that it might be really fun. She joined the thing going since 24th October with the famous contestants. We've been told that it was supposed to be secondary. We also felt like it's I don't know really when this I mean, I've only known about it. 3 or 4 years. But I don't know when it starts to get this back. I only know when Blair got in, and I'm not hard to live with, I'm not right to get all that stuff. I said before, like lessons happen if you don't have law. You know, so, you know, I knew when the church came in. If I just knew it. I said, I don't know what, because I'm not that, I wasn't actually, I said, well, you last 9 years for 500, I don't know why I said, but I could see it. Something wrong. There was all, I mean, it went wrong. So again, didn't look like thrown out. Yeah, I'm not saying I like it, and then he was he was like a plate. And then it's not alright. Yeah, and then that's why fear where I got in. That was the first thing I saw that looked wrong. Made out now they maybe went. They were trying to make it into something more than it actually was, to put one against another. I don't know what your experience give me, so I don't know. I can't say whether it's that bad. The police like this, to be honest, the ones that I have never been able to win. They've just not done their job. They've not done their job in a nice way.
But all in all,
he was a bad one. I could sense he was one of the there was another time, right, to get him quite tall, he turned his back on the screen. I forget what his name was, he didn't see the last he was a high lord, blah, 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 not just in the Lord, in the league. I don't know the name, I only have what I call they're like a cat. They're like they're there to allow stuff to go in. I do think create create the circumstances what I need. You can do things fast, you can turn the other way. All right.
and George
Exactly.
And not only that, why are they going up to the people who are alive today? It's an easy shock for us to do. I've got no sympathy with you, but it's easy to do for somebody who's dead, right?
Yeah, I don't understand why they didn't do it when he was alive anyway.
Or go to the like, that's sure will probably be that one, you know, yeah, that Brian says yeah, and they were being quite helpful now. Yes, I was wondering whether they either the last call. They basically said that's how I read what happened with that last call. In other words, they you have what I'm just wondering whether I think you know that what was that to do with?
Well, he went and a wedding was set in with a Pakistani lawyer that represented Cornel in Scotland. And when I was in Pakistan, he was complaining about dodgy guys, the guy in the hotel room. The lawyer was 40 years of age and looked interrogated. The lawyer, I went in because I was very curious about this case, and the lawyer was crying. I mean, beyond and above. There's upset and upset. And after she was he says, I'm going to be different matter. I don't know how he was. But he says that he was involved in the boys. I don't know if that's true. But he also defended a high-up lawyer in Glasgow, from Square toilets. Yeah, rent boy.
So how did the boys not and then I think talking that's what they say. Remember, they're just little children. Because things obviously were wrong in the house. I mean, I've read the papers now twice, and I'm very there was a lot wrong, and you know, you just can't say yourself it wasn't your fault. I know you had the boiler, I know you had a bad landlord. But things got on top of you. I appreciate that. But you've just got to 1,000,000% make sure that you keep things.
Oh, I think it's up in the house, I've got everything. Every day.
And you've got to accept some responsibility for what went wrong. You're not going to get anywhere unless you accept some responsibility there. This is what you and I need to talk about now, and I've read the papers. When I saw you previously, I hadn't really read, only got the papers that morning. It makes good anyway. I thought we'd done well to get this statement out, given that. It was. You're a new property. No, I'm sure it's still thinking. I'm sure it's still thinking.
Yeah, much better. And that.
Where do we get
No, because I spoke to his mum and sister this morning. Oh, yeah. So she was saying that I think he looked at the corner wants to ask for an adjournment to give himself some more time to get things together. I understand these people. I just don't understand it. Well, there's no point time. Yeah. You have just got to try to make sure you don't get into the peripheral. That is really important to do. And if you do, it's good if you're in a position to just smack them on. Look at children can't do that. And this is where you're taking power away, because if you've got children and you know that you smack them on, that then they've got your children and you've got a little chance of it, you can't do that. So you have to do everything to a point of view where you're not aggressive, but yet they've been an aggressive thing. You know what I mean? Because we met the one, Mickey. You know that because when she talks, she's stammering. She does a lot of stammering. Yeah. She can't express herself properly in the way that she would. So they tend to see that female is the one who's the controller, the bully, the this, the that. But it's not that. It's because, you know, because he's got the passion and he can speak more than this is. So, they manipulate it in so much ways, they twist the story so much ways. Because even at one point they said, oh, he was abusing Missy and stuff like that. Because he's not saying that.
There's many couples that have got a low intellect. I remember a couple in the town that I was brought up and the two of them had learning difficulties. They found each other, they fell in love, and had children. You know, well, there's no excuse for this, but I do agree with what Pierre says. If they see that vulnerability, they're not inclined to head towards it as well, because if they see somebody going, you're going